Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to High River, Alberta, a charming town with a rich history and beautiful landscapes. Nestled in the heart of southern Alberta, High River is known for its picturesque surroundings and friendly community. The town is situated along the Highwood River, an important part of the area's history and development, providing water and resources to the early settlers. High River was established in the late 19th century, with the first settlers arriving in the 1880s. The town quickly grew as a center for agriculture and livestock, thanks to the fertile land and abundant water supply. Over the years, High River has maintained its small-town charm while embracing modern developments. Whether you're visiting for the first time or have lived here for years, High River is a place that welcomes everyone with open arms. Its rich history, stunning geography, and warm community make it a truly special place to be. Thank you for joining us on this tour of High River, Alberta. Thanks for watching!